66 meters per second, indicating a tornado is likely on the ground. The warning expires in 19 minutes. Heads up! New severe thunderstorm warning issued for Jackson, Madison. You now have 13 active threats. Severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Morgan. Tornado warning for Franklin, Jackson, Madison.